next section is the over the top section. And again, you don't have to actually jump over your other foot. I usually do it with a little fake where I do a hop or a heel drop and kind of slide the other foot back as if I was jumping over it. But what I'm doing is not a true over the top. Over the tops can be scary. There are a lot of different ways to do them. The traditional hoofer style of an over the top is where you put the side of your foot on the floor, you scrape it back, and while you are doing that, the other foot jumps over. Cheated it a little bit there. Technically, the foot jumping should jump all the way over. Okay, so we've talked about this. Not everyone is good to jump, not everyone is good to hop, and you want to be careful not to hurt yourself. And for a lot of people, turning your foot sideways like that is either not easy or hurts. So you're going to have some choices here. This is another section where the BS comes into play quite heavily. So first option is that you are going to just put the foot flat on the floor and slide it whenever we're sliding it. And instead of hopping, you can either do a chug or just a heel drop. That's fine. For a lot of people, if you can do the hop, you can go ahead and do that. That gets it a little bit closer to what an over the top truly is, but don't feel like you have to. Now, if you're comfortable putting the side of your foot on the floor and sliding it back, you can do that as well. The thing you want to be careful of is you cannot put any weight on this foot. So if you are trying to hop over your foot and this foot leaves the ground and you suddenly put weight into it, you're going to break your ankle. So don't do that. So when you do it, you're just sliding the foot with the, you want to think about putting the pinky toe on the floor, and you're not putting any weight into it at all. It touches the floor, but you're not weight bearing on it. So you have choices where you can do that with the hop and trying to jump over, or you can do it with the chug or a heel drop as well. The combination, you're going to start with a step on the right foot. Step, you're going to slide and hop. Step, slide and hop. Or heel drop or chug. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, toe tip. All right, so you have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you are going to either hop or heel drop on the left foot, step the right foot back, do your slide and chug or hop, step, slide, hop or chug. So, adding that on, you have step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop. You are going to do that whole thing 2 times in a row. So starting with the step on the right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Take a breath. We'll walk through this one more time. Now, I like to do the BS chorus 2 times through. It's a short dance, there's not a lot to it, so we do the 4 verses that you've just learned the last section of, and then, or the 4 sections of the first verse, and then we go from the top and repeat it. When you are finishing, this section has a little bit of a variation. It's a little bit different, and that'll be part of the next lesson. So if you were to just do it once and finish it off, there's another little thing that goes into this. Okay, let's walk through these over the tops one more time. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop. Step, slide, hop, tip, hop, step, slide, hop, step, slide, hop.